here at the mailbox, we got lots of blooms happening. Our stone crop is getting its yellow flowers. We also have our sedum starting to bloom. Autumn and Joy sedum, I think is what that one is. Got lots of bees over here at the borage as always. This heat wave decimated this borage. Oh, look, we got lots of seeds here. Check this out. This heat decimated this borage. This was the first one to bloom and it just decimated it. But look at the positive side. Look at these seeds that we get to harvest, huh? These are borage seeds right here. This little seed made this big plant. Check that out. Isn't that neat? Honestly, I've never had a room because we've lived at apartments to grow my own food like this and my own pollinator flowers like this. You know, just had enough room for container gardens. But now that I grow like this, I've come to realize that my favorite part of the whole process, believe it or not, is harvesting the seed. Because it's such a wonderful process to harvest it and learn how to harvest all the different plants that you grow. And also that you can share it with others, which is wonderful. It's a great thing. And yeah, so I got some borage, which is exciting. And over here, the zucchini is doing wonderful. The loofah is doing wonderful. And back there, we've got the bolting red Russian kale. I'll go over there so you can check it out. All right, I'm racing against the clock here because our positioning of our house, the bright sunshine is coming and everything in the yard is going to get bleached out and hard for you to see. So let me keep going here. I got to do these videos in the morning before it gets too hot. Over here we got more tomatoes and basil, and the basil's trying to bolt again, so I got to pick it off here. We don't want it to bolt, we want it to keep producing and bush out. But anywho, I got basil. These are pumpkins on the ends that are gonna spill over. And our tomatoes are looking great. We starting to get some fruit on this side as well. The other planter of tomatoes was put in before this one was. So it's starting to produce a lot more fruit. This one is just getting to the point where it's starting to produce fruit. As you can see here, here's more. So it's looking really happy, looking really good. Got some more basil bolting here. We're going to pull that so it continues to produce. And that way we can harvest and dry it so we have some fresh herbs to use for the winter and fall. It's always beneficial to give the plants a haircut just like we get haircuts, right? And then here is some sweet basil that I planted from seed that's starting to come up over here. Wonderful, wonderful. And then over here, I have planted some, oh, I gotta move this guy. I had planted some Malabar spinach. Wait a second, this isn't Malabar spinach. This is a parsley. I don't know how this got over here. Goodness knows. This guy's got to go back over in the hanging baskets. He's a parsley, and I don't know how he got over here. Well, that's interesting. I don't know. That's a mystery. You know what? I bet you my daughter pulled some... she probably pulled some parsley out of that gray one over there. Planted it over here. She likes to pick flowers and plant them. Little did she know, that's a propagation, and it can start rooting and regrow. So there it is. We got an extra parsley. Down here we got Malabar spinach. Now that's going to take off and become a vine, and in theory we want it to vine across the tomato trellis just because we thought it would be cool, and it's a good use of space. So we'll see how that goes. And I got Malabar spinach over here. I'll show you when I get to it. Oh, here we go. Here is another firefly. They love seeking refuge on these nice cool under parts of the leaves during the hot summer days, so they come